Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be doing another wig install, and we're going to be installing Outre's sleek lay part in the style Dalilah, and it's 34 inches, and I got this in the color chocolate frost. Now I'm just going to show you guys I'm just going to tell you guys like the average size of this wig. It says that the average circumference is 21.5 inches. Ear to ear, it's 13.5 inches, and front to back, it's 14.25 inches. It has a HD transparent lace. It has a flat lace finish. It's pre-plucked, and it has a bumpless blade finish, and it's heat friendly from up to 400 degrees. And I'm just going to show you guys how I installed the wig. This is a pretty short video because it's literally a beginner friendly wig, so it's very easy to install. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of very quickly what I did, but I did absolutely love this wig. It did everything that it was described to on the card, and this is, if you need a beginner friendly wig, this is definitely the wig for you. Okay, and these are the finished results. Like I said, very quick and very easy, very beginner friendly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye.